What's up, YouTube? Well, I wanted another micro RC, and I didn't want the Bronco, so I went backwards and bought the FMS RocHobby Land Cruiser. Hard body, very detailed. I'm not gonna do an unboxing because it's been done plenty of times. So I wanted one. I didn't want the Bronco, although Axial has a whole lot of aftermarket parts. They got it on lock. Most of these other companies don't have it. So I was skeptical because I didn't want another RC crawler with plastic diff gears. Now I know the Katana, the one before this one, or the cheaper version, has plastic diff gears. But when I was on FMS's website looking at these trucks, this truck, under replacement, I seen metal diff gears. But when on Horizon Hobby's website, under replacements, they only had plastic diff gears. So I was wondering, which one did it come with? Emailed both companies, neither one responded. So I just went on, took a chance and bought it, and lucky enough, it has metal diff gears. Let me back up a step. I've seen many videos on this vehicle. I was mainly watching it to see if somebody mentioned the diff gears. One guy mentioned it. He didn't open up the diff case, but he did mention he believes it had metal diff gears in it. But he had like a Katana or something else on the table that was all plastic. So I never got the true verification. So I bought it, and yes, it is. Yes, it does have metal diff gears, no grease, and bushings, but metal diff gears. On the axle is also a bushing. You can see the brass in there. Someone looked at it and said they seen bearings, but I don't know, maybe they just help advertising the company. That's not a bearing, that's a bushing. The center, I don't know. I'm pretty sure the center transmission still has plastic gears. That's fine. I found another place online. They got metal ones, so I ordered them. Gotta wait till they come. Easy to get metal drive shafts for these are easy to find. So I'm not worrying about that. I don't care about the links neither. But yeah, that's what I really wanted to put out there. The Toyota Land Cruiser, I don't know if it's the newer version or not, does have metal diff gears. Oh, one more thing, let me show you. The older, or the other, I know the Katana comes with this ESC. This comes in the Atlas also. It's horrible, loud, noisy, just horrible. Didn't come in this. That came in my Atlas. I took my Atlas out. This vehicle, I don't know how new it is, but it has a different 2-in-1 ESC receiver. So I'm hoping that's an improvement. So the other one sucks, so hopefully this one's quieter. Has all the light functions on there. I was going to upgrade it to the Fury Tech, but I'm gonna run it, see how noisy it is and how it functions. I might just use it or keep it in there. So I just got this today, so I haven't ran it or plugged it up yet. My first mission was to find out the diff had metal gears or not. So yeah, it's a newer version of the ESC. Like I said, really detailed vehicle. I can go into all the details because there's plenty of videos out there. I mean, we're gonna keep the body. I might put some stickers on there, of course, some decals. But that was it. Just wanted to put that out there. Peace.